Good morning, students. Today we will talk about a critical phenomena of physics, that is work, power, and energy. Have you ever thought a man is stealing the field, a boy is riding the cycle, a girl is singing song, a man is traveling on the path, the leaves of branches are trembling. These incidents we call that some work is being done, but we are not justified. What is the main function? What is the main definition of work? Scientifically, we can say some person is walking along a path, means that person is gaining some displacement from the original point or former points. So according to the scientist, work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. W is equal to F into D, where W stands for work done, F for external force, and D is displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is a vector quantity. When a point travels from point A to point B, there will be so many paths from where A can reach up to B. First route is from this route, from this route, from this route. There are so many routes for A. But the shortest distance, shortest pathway of the both object is called displacement. So it has the direction where A is traveling towards B, that is indicated by this horizontal and vertical axis, that is x axis and that is y axis. It is the origin point, and here is the north, east, west and south, and in mid we can say, if this line AB intersects north and east equal 45 degree, that will be nominated by the both names, north east or earth north, north west or earth north, such as. So according to this phenomena, if any external force applied on a particular body gives displacement D, then the multiplication of both the physical quantities are called work done capacity. So the definition stands for work. The force applied on a certain object for gaining displacement D will be the work done on any object. The work might be positive or negative. When a particle works from their own energy, that is called positive energy, and when it lends the energy from other particles to do some works, that is called negative energy. And according to these phenomena of energy, it also classified into two parts: work done capacity is called energy. Work done capacity is called energy. So we can say that there is no difference between work and energy. Work is equal to energy, because when we possess energy we can work, and we can only work when we have some energy. And there is classification of energies. First is kinetic energy. And second is potential energy. What is kinetic? What is potential? Kinetic means the energy which contains or transformed in moving particles. A boy is running, then he possesses kinetic energy. If the boy is standing still, that have potential energy. So we have to evaluate what might be the magnitude of kinetic energy in a moving particle. Then kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, where m stands for mass of the particle and v is the velocity of the particle. So we can say that the greater velocity produces greater kinetic energy, while the m is constant for every particle. If a boy of 20 kilometer displacement travels in first position 10 kilometer per hour and in second position 2 kilometer per hour, means the ratio of displacement and time is different for this particle. So if the velocity will be greater, then it needs greater kinetic energy, and the velocity is decreases, kinetic energy also decreases. Less kinetic energy provides less velocity, while greater kinetic energy provides greater velocity, whereas mass is constant. A boy is moving 20 meter per second and other boy is moving 40 meter per second, means this boy is faster than this boy. So this boy has greater kinetic energy. But here one function is not submitted, that is mass. If first boy has the mass of 50 kilogram and second is 60 kilogram, then we can't say who possesses greater energy. Then we have to evaluate from this equation. E1 is equal to half mv square and ek2 is equal to half m60 and 40 square. This concept will provide who possesses greater kinetic energy. Now we can say there is the interchanging of kinetic energy into the potential energy. In really, we can't say that kinetic energy exists. We transform potential energy into the kinetic energy. A boy is standing, possesses kinetic energy due to the height of earth level. So potential energy depends on the surface height from the earth level h, means kinetic energy is proportional to v square, potential energy is proportional to h for a single object. So as high we lifted a particle from the earth level, we are increasing its potential energy, and when at a certain height a particle is left to drop freely, then the potential energy converts into the kinetic energy, and increasing kinetic energy increases the velocity of the object. So existence of kinetic energy is none but is the conversation of or exchange of potential energy on working an external force on the body. So we can say without any external force, neither kinetic energy converts into the potential energy or potential energy can convert into the kinetic energy. Let us talk about the power, that is the mid functioning in between work and energy. When we evaluate the rate of change of energy, that is called power. Power is equal to work divided by time. Work divided by time. P is equal to W by T. And PT is equal to W. When T is equal to 1, then P is equal to W. Means when duration is unit, then power is called work done capacity, and that is the energy possessed within the body. So these functions, we can say work is separate, power is separate, energy is separate, but nothing is separate. These are interconnected with some external objects that we call external force. If external force is not applied on any particle, that will remain their energy in their original form, that is called potential energy. And the nature of potential energy is negative, while the kinetic energy is in form of positive energy. Means negative energy collides the particles of object so nearer, it binds each other, means it had to omit the intermolecular space, such as the formation of potential energy. And kinetic energy dissolves the velocity. So transformation of negative energy into positive energy and positive energy into the negative energy is called the transformation of energy. And it is based on the principle of conservation law of energy. Means energy can't be created or can't be destroyed. Only it can be changed into the various type of energies. You know, according to the movement, we are calling that kinetic energy and potential energy. But there are so many kinds of energy, and all these energies are in form of potential energy. The Earth's energy is called gravitational potential energy, chemical potential energy, biopotential energy. All energies are in form of potential energy. only they can be changed into the kinetic energy by using some external force. We have seen a ripe mango. When it was raw, it was as flower like. Some external force, atmosphere, temperature acts upon this mango, and this mango reached up to ripened position. The crops were reached their ripened position. This is the interchange of energies due to the external force. Our next video, we will talk about the happenings and occurrence of work, power, energy, how these functions assimilate one another. Thanks.